Welcome. Discover legitimate work from home jobs, side hustles, and online earning opportunities. Subscribe and start earning from home.
So hi guys, for today's videos we will talk about this online platform, work from home job na pag-uusapan natin, and this is remote task. So depende sila guys, meron silang on-site and then meron silang remote. Ah, Unang-una guys is ang gagawin mo dito guys is sasali ka sa orientation. After orientation, meron silang training. And then after training is meron ka ng mga active tasks na gagawin. So as you can see, yung dashboard ko, wala pa akong task na naumpisahan kasi before sumali ako dito sa remote task and then di ako naging active guys. Kasi nga yung panahon na yon is hindi pa um, wala pa akong stable internet connection. And then hindi ko rin alam kung paano gawin yung job na yun. Hindi pa talaga klaro sa akin. Pero, um, ang naintindihan ko lang dun is magba-box ka lang naman ng mga sasakyan and then magle-label ka and then yung mga sasakyan and pedestrian and then yung ano pa, traffic light. So, iba-box mo lang yun, ile-label mo lang yun. Yun yung parang data annotation or image labeling. So, dito sa task log guys, dito mo makikita yung um, task na nagawa mo and then yung income mo. So, yun nga, wala pa kasi kakatapos ko lang ng orientation, naghihintay pa ako ng training. And then, parang ang active nila ngayon is yung robotics. And then dito sa onboarding guys is tinry ko yung 1 cent kung mawi-withdraw pa talaga totoo, mawi-withdraw talaga siya through PayPal. Medyo mahina, sorry. Okay. So dito, ito yung mga tasks na gagawin mo. Meron silang data collection. So generic data collection, content language, categorization, texting, highlighting, transcription, 2D image annotation, image segmentation, video annotation, leather segmentation. So, meron silang certificate exam. Unang-unang gagawin mo dito guys is meron silang exam. And then, kung mapasa mo yan, and then um, every task, meron silang exam. Then, after you pass the exam, doon ka na gagawa ng uh, mga task mo. Kasi parang tinitest nila kung kaya mong gawin. And then, want to increase your pay? Sign up for an online remote task bootcamp. Our certified trainers will teach you how to work on highest paying tasks. Online bootcamp are free and you will get paid for live tasks completed during training. So, you can sign up, guys. So, meron akong account and then you can sign up also para doon ka na maging active sa bootcamp nila. Doon mo malalaman yung yung mga training, yung mga tasks na after completed during training is meron ka ng live task. Dito mamimili ka lang naman ng kahit isa na kaya mong gawin. Like data collection, image annotation, image segmentation, video annotation. So, yun lang. And then, remote task income, remote task, income. So, nandito lang naman lahat. So remote task income varies widely based on your location, task complexity, and project availability. Entry-level tasks typically pay between $2 to $5 per hour, while specialized AI, prompt writing, or coding evaluation can reach $15 to $18 per hour. Payouts are sent weekly via PayPal or RTM. So, meron sila ngayon robotics yung ano nila, yung bago nila. So, madami silang project. Araw-araw daw may task dito. Yun yung narinig ko sa yung nag-orientation kami. Key factor impacting income, task availability income is unpredictable because project open and close frequently, meaning work is not always steady. So, dito, hindi daw steady yung income. But as I heard sa orientation is, um, meron daw, meron daw ng mga tasks. So, depende siguro sa location. Task availability income is unpredictable because project open and close frequently, meaning work is not always steady. So, skill level, passing and advanced training and qualifying as a reviewer or coding specialist increases your hourly rate. Location rates and project availability often adjust depending on the country you work from. Earning depends entirely on active hours spent completing and passing quality check on tasks. So, depende yung accuracy kasi, tinatawag na accuracy, is if ever yung task na tapos mo is 100% accurate talaga, is mas malaki yung sasahurin mo. And then, pag marami ding error and then mali-mali yung pagkagawa mo sa task is marireject din siya, guys. Yun yung narinig ko. And then, so you can do your own research naman. So remote tasks earn USD doing online tasks from home. So get paid on label, image, transcribe, audio, and annotate data task are paid weekly via PayPal or ATM. So madami you can search also other YouTube channel. And then, so ayan, ito lang. You can sign up to complete training and then start doing tasks. Mission. Okay, guys. So since I'm done, so this is also a work from home job, or you can do it online, on site. Meron din silang on site during training. I-discuss nila, during orientation, i-discuss nila, and then magbibigay sila ng platform, ng form sa'yo na pipil upan mo, and then kung yung training mo ba is through online or on-site, online or on-site, mamimili ka lang naman. Kung malapit ka sa on-site, pwede kang pumunta doon, and then kung gusto mo online, you can do it online also. So, yun lang, and I hope na may natutunan kayo for today's video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel for more video like this, work from home and job opportunity. So, maraming hindi nag-subscribe, but if you like to subscribe my channel, so ikakasaya ko talaga. I'm so happy with that. So, thank you guys.